each of you. It is an honor to have you here. Julay, Salam. A very good morning to all of you. On behalf of Ministry of Tourism and all organizations.
Now I would like to request our guests, please proceed to their place. Please. First of all, artists, please. Shri Rajat Sane, Senior Vice President, ADP OR. Shri Vinayak Kaul, Senior former Honorary Secretary, ATOI. Shri Sanjay Rajnan, Honorary Secretary of IITO. Mr. Hamza ji from Kargil, representative. And Shri P.T. Kunjung, President, Ladakh Travel Trade Alliance. Please come up on the stage, sir. Shri Mungan, Chairman, IITO Ladakh Chapter. Hamza. Shri P.T. Kunjung.
Senior Vice President, ADPI, who has come from Delhi. Then Mr. Vinayak Kaul, he is a EC member of Association of Adventure Tour Operator, he also come from Delhi. And the other members who are local, Sri Hamza ji from Kargil, Sri Dorji, All Ladakh Tour Operator Association, Sri Namgyal ji, IITO Ladakh Chapter, Sri Deluxe, President All Ladakh Hotel and Guest House Association, श्री पीटी खुंजल
का रिकॉग्निशन प्रोसेस सारा ऑनलाइन है, तो उसको अप्लाई करने का
A few days ago, a very eminent person from Zanskar came to me and told me that there is a stupa which dates back to 2nd century AD. So we have such rich, I think Sunny Gompa is the one, Sunny Gompa. We have such rich heritage that we need to harness. And then we have to reach out to our potential tourists in Southeast Asia, Vietnam, maybe other Buddhist countries. We have to reach out to them.
And I was also part of that. And the team was led by the then former president of Alto, Mr. Tsetan Amchu. So we were told to explore Siachen Belt. And we did that in 2 to 3 days, very nicely. And we had proposed several activities in that area. First was we have proposed several itineraries and also diversion of few routes and broadening or putting up better bridges that would connect this route circularly. So that was really nice, and I was the one to write the report, which later I came to know that was being sent to Defence Ministry also. But so far we haven't heard anything about that. So I would request, sir, you, Secretary Sir, Tourism Ladakh, so please kindly pursue this proposal that we have been put long ago. It's been several years now. Because when Vinayak was speaking, even Mr. Cheri Namgyal, they were both suggesting to explore new arenas.
So I would like to say this here, because in winter time the famous of Chadar trek, snow leopard trek, and then ice hockey. There are many things that in winter time. But the winter ice climbing, we are also organized a ice climbing festival. So there we are only getting the support from army only. So the tourism stakeholders also and like all the travel companies and tourism also have to highlight the ice climbing, because it's been few years many Indian peoples, many who are like to climb Everest or whoever like above 6,000 elevation, they are need a training. Here, the one organization called LMG, Ladakh Mountain Guide Association, they are very high qualified mountain guide, very experienced. They are requesting us, but we don't have a support from the any organizations. So we are only getting only support from army. So this is a little bit to like highlight, and also we need a support from tourism, and you people also marketing this one. It is very huge opportunity in Ladakh. Thank you so much.
Much for conducting such a wonderful, productive dialogue with all the local stakeholders. I am Sonam, one of the executive members of All Ladakh Tour Operator Association. I have very small points to, but I won't take more than a minute. So my first question is for Sir Sumanji. You mentioned about the registration and certification with NITI, with Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. I would like to know if a local operator like me, if I'm registering with NITI, is it possible to not just do the tours and the travels in India, but also worldwide? Because I think there are many young entrepreneurs like me who have such thoughts, and well, now that we got an opportunity, I would like to understand if that is very much possible, or with NITI if it's only for India. And yes, we were talking about the promotions, and I think yes, it's very important for entrepreneurs, especially the youths, that we do take some promotions, because I've seen or I've known that most of the promotions are being done from different parts of India and Ladakh. Well, earlier, due to the infrastructure and maybe expertise, we don't have that much opportunity to, carry forward the promotion. But now we are well equipped. We are ready to, go on any international, well, not just Asian countries, but also the Americans, the Western world. One of my suggestions would be this. Yeah, well, now that we know the issues, we know the problems, what is like, we can brainstorm some solutions, and one of them is, we spoke regarding this few times, but nobody really, I think, carried forward, is about wellness tourism. If we can promote that section, I think the Western world's very rapid, very fast, will always come for a place, but then they will leave with no mark. Well, I think it's very important if we can touch their hearts, if we can maybe initiate some dialogues anytime in the near future. I think this question is for Mr. Vikramji, if it's possible. I think it's a very, good thing.
सबसे पहले तो मैं मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ टूरिज़्म और डायरेक्टरेट जो अपना नॉर्थ इंडिया का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने स्टेक होल्डर मीट जो लद्दाख में रखा हुआ है, और खुशी की बात ये है कि यहाँ पे आज इस साल हम टूरिज़्म के 50 साल भी मनाने जा रहे हैं। तो सितंबर में इसका फेस्टिव एक पूरा एक प्रोग्राम भी रहेगा। तो सभी स्टेक होल्डर और ख़ासकर हमारे टूरिज़्म डिपार्टमेंट और LSDC ले ने स्पेशली फोकस करके, जैसे कल आपने देखा कि पलगम दुस्तों के दिन भी उन्होंने इसको एक थीम रखा, जिसके लिए मैं लद्दाख ऑटोनोमस हिल डेवलपमेंट काउंसिल के चेयरमैन श्री टेशी गैल्सन से मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूं। और ये जो मीट आज हुआ है स्टेक होल्डर मीट, इसमें उन्होंने जो नॉर्दर्न इंडिया के रीजनल डायरेक्टर के साथ हमारे टूरिज़्म सेक्रेटरी मलिक साहब भी बैठे थे, तो उनके साथ दोनों, एक सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से, एक अपने यूटी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के सामने सारे स्टेक होल्डर्स और सारे एसोसिएशंस ने अपने अपने व्यूज़ और अपने अपने ग्रीवेंसेस रखे। तो इस तरह के जो फ्रूटफुल जो मीटिंग्स, जो इस तरह के कन्वेंशन होता है, तो उसमें बहुत सारे इंडस्ट्री के पॉजिटिव इनपुट्स भी आते हैं। तो इससे हमें बहुत उम्मीद है कि आने वाले टाइम में हमारे जो लद्दाख के टूरिज्म को आगे ले जाने में बहुत सारे रोड मैप्स और बहुत सारे फ्यूचर कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन के बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स निकले हैं, जिसको मेरे ख्याल से यूटी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन उसको फोकस करके आगे उनके जो प्लान्स में इंक्लूड करेंगे और लद्दाख टूरिज्म को आगे ले जाने में हमें सहायता मिलेगा।